Hello everybody. Welcome you all in this online Edu classes for class 7th Social Science. Here I am Meenakshi Pandey with the video for chapter 6 of SPL Understanding Media. In this chapter, we are going to understand the meaning of word media. We will explore how media and technology is related. We will analyze the role of media in democracy. We will also try to explore that how media is associated with money, and then we will critically analyze the role of media in setting up the agendas. Let us begin with the word media. TV, mobile, newspaper, radio, these all are the sources of communication and are referred as media. Any means through which we get, deliver, or exchange the information are called media. Media is a mode of information. It is the plural form of the word medium. It describes the various ways of communication. It also influences our behavior and attitude in different manner. As these sources help us to reach out millions of people, it is also known as mass media. Let us explore the relationship of media with technology. Variety of platforms are introduced every day and we use them lavishly. Technology keeps on changing every day. Advanced technology helps media to reach more people. Not only that, it also provides the improved quality of sound and image, which also enhances the usage of various media. Apart from that, you can see that through satellites and cable programs are being broadcasted throughout the world. Let us take an example of television. It has enabled us to think of ourselves as member of a larger global world. Now, let us understand that how media and money is related. Technology that mass media uses are expensive. To broadcast any program, a proper setup is required. For example, in a news studio, it is not only the newsreader who needs to be paid, but also a number of other people who help put the broadcast together are also required there. Mass media keeps changing, and so a lot of money is spent on getting the latest technology. Now, let us understand the relationship between the media and democracy. Media plays a very important role in providing news and discussing events taking place in the country and the world. On the basis of these reports, we come to know that how the government works. And finally, the citizen take up the action in favor of the government or against the government as it is required. It is important that the information is balanced. Through media only people come to know about various issues. So it is very important to know whether the media is an independent media in our country or not. Media role is to provide a balanced report. On account of these reports, several protests and campaigns arises. There should be no control or influence of any organization in the coverage of the news. No one should instruct the media to include or exclude any news. The reality is that media is far from independent. This is mainly because of two reasons. The first is the control that the government has on the media. When the government prevents either a news item or scene to be broadcasted, then it is known as the censorship. Let us understand about the word censorship. Censorship means the power that government has to disallow media from publishing certain stories. Media is far from independence. There is a direct control of the government on the media. There have been periods in Indian history when the government censored the media. The worst of these was the emergency between 1975 and 1977. Apart from this, the second reason is that many business houses also controls the media and their influence work over the reports that has been submitted by the media persons. Now, let us come to the next point, that is setting up an agenda. The media also plays an important role in deciding what stories to focus on and therefore decides on what is newsworthy. It is the media which sets the agenda that what news has to be covered up. The work of media is to bring the reality in front of the public, but sometimes it fails to focus on the issues that are significant in our life. Drinking water is a major problem in the country. Every year, thousands of people suffer and die because they do not get safe drinking water. However, we seldom find the media discussing this. A well known Indian journalist wrote of how the Fashion Week is working, but they hardly focus on such issues. Nowadays, media has a very close relationship with the big business houses and thus there is lack of balanced report. Not only that, it is important for us to be aware of the factual information that a news report provides. It is often not complete and can be one-sided. We therefore need to analyze the news by asking following questions. What is the information and learning from this report? What information is not being provided? From whose point of view is the article being written? And whose point of view is being left out and why? With this, I want to end up my lesson. Thank you, everybody. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.